If you are planning a trip and want to organize everything without headaches, then the spreadsheet may be the solution you have been looking for. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Travel Planning Spreadsheet, a complete tool to help you manage every detail of your trip, from your savings to your daily itinerary. To purchase this template, simply access the link in the video description. So, how does the spreadsheet work? Let's start with the Savings tab. Here we will define the amount you want to save for your trip. For example, I will enter $10,000 here. Now, down below, you can record your savings by entering the date and the amount saved. If needed, you can also add notes using these fields. Notice that as I enter the values, the total saved and the amount left to save fields are automatically updated. In addition, the chart also adjusts in real time, showing the percentage already saved. This way you can visually track your progress, which really helps to stay focused and disciplined. Now let's move to the Budget tab. This is where you will organize all of your travel expenses. So the first step is to fill in all the trip expenses by entering an expense description and selecting a category to classify the expenses. And an important detail is that these categories are loaded according to the information shown here in this section. So if you want to change any category, this is where you should do it, okay? For example, where it says emergency, I'm going to change it to gifts. Now, this new category will appear here in the drop-down list. Going back to the entries, now you just need to fill in the quantity and expensive amount. Then notice that the total is calculated automatically. And as you enter the information into this spreadsheet, notice that the dashboard at the top of the spreadsheet is updated. Here, you have a graphical view of the percent composition of your expenses, showing exactly where your money is going, make it much easier to adjust your spending. The My Savings item is automatically filled according to the total amount saved that was recorded here in the Savings tab. Here you have the balance and the budget status, which will show whether your budget is within the expected range or above your savings. And finally, here in the table on the side, you have an overview of the amount of spent in each category. Moving on, now I'm going to access the Checklist tab. In this tab, you have access to the 4 columns to create your travel checklist. We have inserted some titles for each group, but you can also change these names according to your preference. And as you complete each item, just click in the little checkbox, and the spreadsheet automatically updates the progress. This brings much more security and peace of mind before the trip and even during the trip. And finally, we have the Schedule tab. Here, you can organize your itinerary day by day. Simply fill in the date, time, planning activities, and notes. This way you can visualize your entry schedule in a clear and organized way. This spreadsheet is ideal for anyone who wants to travel with better planning, financial control, and without unexpected issues. It is already ready to use, but you can customize it according to your needs because it is 100% editable. And the best part, when you purchase the Travel Planning Spreadsheet, you can receive both Excel version and the Google Sheets version, so you can choose which version to use. To get this amazing travel tool, simply access the link in the video description. That's for now, take care and have a great trip.